Take a ride in the 2020 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, height, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, air suspension, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.